Assalamu alaikum, what's up everybody? I am sure as of today you would have at least heard of Bitcoin once in your life. If not, bro, what are you even doing? So today, instead of giving you a boring lecture about what is Bitcoin, why is Bitcoin, where is Bitcoin, instead we will take a look at how we can actually buy the Bitcoin. Alright, this video will mainly focus on the people living in the Middle East and Africa, which include countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, Bahrain, etc. Before proceeding further, I need to remind you that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is a highly volatile market. Almost 90% of people who trade or deal with Bitcoin or cryptocurrency lose their money. So only trade with that money that you can afford to lose. So to begin with, go to the website rain.bh. So this is the website you will be buying your cryptocurrency from. As you can see, these are all the current rates of different cryptocurrencies. This is the licensed website to buy cryptocurrency in Middle East and North Africa. These are all their services. They currently deal in all these different currencies. They also have a mobile app which you can use to get latest notifications. So you will come here and open a personal account. Here you will write all your details and create the account. There are some requirements that you need to fulfill to open an account on this website. You should have a valid residency card of the country in which you are living. Also, you need to have a bank account and a debit card. So after the verification of your documents, you will sign in and get a screen like this. This screen shows you all the cryptocurrency accounts that you have on this website and their balance. There are two methods that you can use to buy the Bitcoin. But first you need to add your bank account and debit card on this website. To add these, go to the menu and press payment methods. Here you can add your debit card, credit card. You can use any merchant on this website like Visa, MasterCard and Amex. After adding your card, it will be listed here. You can also add your bank account here. Just put your full name and IBAN number to add your bank account. So you can buy the Bitcoin either by your card or from your bank. To buy a Bitcoin from your bank account, go to transfer funds and deposit from bank. One important thing to note here is that if you choose to deposit from your bank, it will take almost 3 to 4 days to appear in this account. And the transfer fees will be very less. But if you choose to buy from your card, it will be instant transfer but it will cost more. So to deposit from your bank account, go here and select your bank currency and specify the amount that you will send. Then select your bank account and press continue. After clicking continue, you will get an email listing the deposit instructions. The email will contain bank account information of the Rain company. You need to go to your bank's online banking and add the beneficiary and transfer the amount. After transferring amount from your bank to Rain Bank, wait at least 3 to 4 days for the amount to appear here. The amount that you transferred should show here in your account. You can click any account to view its information. So to buy Bitcoin from your currency account, you need to go to the buy tab. Here you will specify how much you want to spend. It would instantly show how much Bitcoin you would get. Here in the pay with section, you need to choose from where do you want to pay. You can either use your ATM card or your account. Here you need to specify which cryptocurrency are you interested in buying. After clicking continue, wait for some time and check your Bitcoin account. Here it will show the latest Bitcoin transaction that you just made. Congratulations, now you have Bitcoin which you can use to trade. That is it for this video. Hope you liked it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.